Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve the MCQs related to suboccipital triangle. Muscles of suboccipital triangle mainly help in A. Flexion of head. B. Extension and rotation of head. C. Depression of mandible. D. Elevation of scapula. The correct answer is extension and rotation of head. All the suboccipital muscles are postural muscles. They extend the head at atlanto-occipital joint. They rotate the head and atlas together on the axis. So they help in extension and rotation of head. All of the following statements regarding the suboccipital triangle are correct except all of the statements are correct except option A. Its roof is covered by semispinalis capitis and longissimus capitis. B. Its floor is formed by anterior arch of atlas. C. It is bounded inferiorly by oblique capitis inferior. D. It is bounded superior-laterally by obliquus capitis superior. All of the following are correct except B. Its floor is formed by anterior arch of atlas. The floor is formed by posterior arch of atlas, not anterior arch of atlas. Boundaries of suboccipital triangle. Superomedially, it is bounded by rectus capitis posterior major supplemented by rectus capitis posterior minor. Superolaterally, obliquus capitis superior. Inferiorly, obliquus capitis inferior. Roof is formed by dense fibrous tissue. Semispinalis capitis medially, semispinalis capitis medially, longissimus capitis laterally, occasionally splenius capitis. Floor is formed by posterior arch of atlas and posterior atlanto-occipital membrane. This is posterior atlanto-occipital membrane. Superomedially, rectus capitis posterior major supplemented by rectus capitis posterior minor. Superolaterally, obliquus capitis superior. Inferiorly, obliquus capitis inferior. Roof is formed by dense fibrous connective tissue. Semispinalis capitis medially, longissimus capitis laterally, occasionally splenius capitis. Floor is formed by posterior arch of atlas and posterior atlanto-occipital membrane. Which structure is not a content of suboccipital triangle? Which of the following structure is not a content of suboccipital triangle? A. Third part of vertebral artery. B. Suboccipital nerve. C. Greater occipital nerve. D. Suboccipital venous plexus. The correct answer is greater occipital nerve. Third part of vertebral artery, suboccipital nerve, suboccipital venous plexus are the contents of suboccipital triangle. Whereas the greater occipital nerve is the structure related to the suboccipital triangle. Greater occipital nerve is not a content of suboccipital triangle, it is a structure related to the suboccipital triangle. Contents of suboccipital triangle include suboccipital plexus of veins, suboccipital nerve, third part of vertebral artery. You can see a third part of vertebral artery, suboccipital nerve, and suboccipital plexus of veins. Structures related to the suboccipital triangle include greater occipital nerve, third occipital nerve, and occipital artery. Next MCQ. Suboccipital nerve is option A. C1 ventral ramus, B. C2 ventral ramus, C. C1 dorsal ramus, D. C2 dorsal ramus. The suboccipital nerve is dorsal ramus of C1. It is dorsal ramus of first cervical nerve. Suboccipital nerve is dorsal ramus of first cervical nerve. First cervical nerve gives rise to dorsal ramus, ventral ramus. The dorsal ramus emerges backward between the third part of vertebral arch and posterior arch of atlas. The dorsal ramus of C1 lies between third part of vertebral artery and posterior arch of atlas. The dorsal ramus of first cervical nerve supplies all of the following muscles except A. Rectus capitis posterior major. B. Rectus capitis posterior minor. C. Semispinalis capitis. D. Splenius capitis. Which of the following muscles is not supplied by suboccipital nerve? The correct answer is D. Splenius capitis. Suboccipital nerve supplies 5 muscles, all the 4 suboccipital muscles and semispinalis capitis. Obliquus capitis superior, obliquus capitis inferior, rectus capitis posterior major, rectus capitis posterior minor, and semispinalis capitis. So the answer is splenius capitis. Pain in the back of head due to irritation of which nerve? A. Suboccipital nerve. B. Greater occipital nerve. C. Lesser occipital nerve. D. Greater auricular nerve. The correct answer is B. Greater occipital nerve. Greater occipital nerve is the medial branch of dorsal ramus of C1. The greater occipital nerve passes near the middle of lower border of obliquus capitis inferior. It then passes upwards and medially, and then it pierces the semispinalis capitis and trapezius and supplies the back of the scalp up to the vertex.